If you are tired of spending hours cleaning your floors, today I am breaking down the top 12 best robot vacuum under $1,000 that can completely transform your home cleaning routine. Welcome back to Tech and Gadget Reviews, where I explore smart home devices that save time and effort. These robot vacuums offer powerful suction, smart mapping, and hands-free convenience at an affordable price. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a solid entry-level option for anyone wanting automated home cleaning without spending too much. I really like how it combines smart navigation with steady suction power to handle dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hair efficiently. It moves smoothly across hardwood, tile, and low-pile carpet, adjusting well to different surfaces. The compact design allows it to clean under beds, sofas, and tight corners with ease. It also features automatic recharging, so it returns to its dock when the battery runs low. App control makes scheduling simple and convenient, even for beginners. The dustbin is easy to remove and clean. Overall, this robot vacuum delivers reliable performance, practical smart features, and excellent everyday value for maintaining a clean home effortlessly. Self-emptying robot vacuum. The self-emptying robot vacuum is built for maximum convenience and minimal maintenance. I really like how it automatically empties its dustbin into a larger base station, allowing weeks of hands-free cleaning. It delivers strong suction power that effectively removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. Smart mapping technology helps it clean in organized paths, ensuring full coverage without missing spots. It navigates smoothly around furniture and obstacles using intelligent sensors. The app allows easy scheduling, zone control, and customization. The large capacity base reduces the need for frequent emptying. Battery life supports extended cleaning sessions for bigger homes. Overall, this robot vacuum offers powerful cleaning, smart automation, and true hands-free convenience for busy households.
Smart 5,000-pound robot vacuum. The Smart 5,000-pound robot vacuum stands out for its extremely powerful suction, making it ideal for deep and thorough cleaning. I really like how it easily lifts dust, debris, crumbs, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors without struggling. It uses smart navigation to clean in efficient, structured patterns that avoid repeated areas. The strong motor ensures consistent performance even in heavily used spaces. It also includes a mopping function for enhanced floor cleaning. App control allows users to schedule cleaning sessions and adjust modes easily. The large dustbin reduces maintenance frequency. Battery life is reliable for medium to large homes. Overall, this robot vacuum delivers strong suction power, smart functionality, and excellent cleaning performance for demanding household needs. UltraClean Smart Robot Vacuum. The UltraClean Smart Robot Vacuum is designed to deliver balanced performance and smart automation for everyday cleaning. I really like how it uses advanced navigation technology to map your home accurately and create efficient cleaning routes. It provides strong suction power that removes dust, dirt, and pet hair from multiple floor types. The slim body design allows it to clean under furniture and tight spaces easily. It also supports multiple cleaning modes for different room conditions. App control makes scheduling and customization simple and convenient. The battery life is strong enough for medium to large homes. It automatically returns to its charging dock when needed. Overall, this robot vacuum delivers reliable cleaning performance, smart features, and consistent results for daily home maintenance.
Lefant Smart LiDAR Vacuum. The Lefant Smart LiDAR Vacuum uses advanced laser navigation to deliver precise and efficient cleaning performance. I really like how its LiDAR system creates accurate home maps, allowing it to follow organized cleaning paths without missing spots. It provides strong suction power suitable for dust, dirt, and pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. The slim design helps it reach under furniture and tight corners with ease. It supports app control for scheduling, mapping, and cleaning customization. The vacuum operates quietly, making it suitable for use anytime. Battery life is reliable for regular cleaning cycles. It also automatically returns to its charging dock when needed. Overall, this robot vacuum offers smart mapping, strong suction, and efficient cleaning for modern households. Shark IQ Self-Empty Vacuum. The Shark IQ Self-Empty Vacuum is a premium cleaning solution designed for hands-free convenience. I
really like how it automatically empties its dustbin into a large base station, reducing maintenance for weeks at a time. It delivers strong suction power that effectively cleans dust, debris, and pet hair from various floor types. Smart mapping allows it to clean in organized rows for complete coverage. It navigates smoothly around furniture and obstacles using advanced sensors. The app provides easy scheduling, cleaning customization, and monitoring. The large base storage capacity adds convenience for busy users. Battery life supports extended cleaning sessions in bigger homes. Overall, this robot vacuum offers powerful cleaning performance, smart automation, and minimal maintenance for effortless home cleaning.
Shark Smart LiDAR Vacuum. The Shark Smart LiDAR Vacuum offers precise navigation and powerful cleaning performance for modern homes. I really like how its LiDAR technology creates detailed maps, ensuring efficient and organized cleaning paths. It delivers strong suction power that handles dust, dirt, and pet hair on carpets and hard floors. The vacuum moves smoothly around furniture and avoids obstacles effectively. App control allows easy scheduling, zone cleaning, and customization. It supports multi-room mapping for larger homes. The slim design helps it reach tight spaces and under furniture. Battery life is reliable for extended cleaning sessions. It also automatically returns to its charging dock when needed. Overall, this robot vacuum combines smart mapping, strong suction, and convenience for consistent daily cleaning performance. Roborock Q7 Smart Vacuum. The Roborock Q7 Smart Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning device designed for efficient home maintenance. I really like how it combines strong suction power with smart navigation to deliver consistent cleaning results. It effectively removes dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The mopping feature adds extra cleaning capability for hard surfaces. Advanced mapping technology helps it clean in structured paths without missing areas. App control allows scheduling, zone cleaning, and customization. The vacuum also navigates smoothly around furniture and obstacles. The battery life is strong enough for large homes and extended cleaning sessions. The dustbin is easy to remove and clean. Overall, this robot vacuum provides smart mapping, strong suction, and convenience for consistent daily cleaning options for everyday use. MONSGA LiDAR Robot Vacuum. The MONSGA LiDAR Robot Vacuum delivers precise mapping and strong cleaning performance for modern homes. I really like how its LiDAR navigation system creates accurate layouts of your home, allowing it to clean in organized and efficient paths without missing spots. It provides strong suction power that easily removes dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. The vacuum moves smoothly around furniture and uses smart sensors to avoid obstacles effectively. App control allows you to schedule cleaning sessions, adjust settings, and create no-go zones for better control. The battery life is reliable for medium to large homes. The dustbin is easy to empty and maintain. Overall, this robot vacuum offers smart mapping, powerful suction, and dependable everyday cleaning performance. ILIFE Slim Robot Vacuum. The ILIFE Slim Robot Vacuum is designed for simple, compact, and efficient cleaning in everyday home environments. I really like how its ultra-slim design allows it to easily reach under beds, sofas, and tight corners where larger vacuums cannot go. It delivers decent suction power that handles dust, crumbs, and light debris effectively on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The navigation system is basic but reliable, helping it cover rooms in an organized manner. It operates quietly, making it suitable for use during any time of day. The dustbin is easy to remove and clean. Battery life is suitable for small to medium-sized homes. It also features automatic recharging when the battery is low. Overall, this vacuum is a practical, budget-friendly cleaning solution.
Eufy Quiet Slim Vacuum. The Eufy Quiet Slim Vacuum is a great choice for users who want quiet operation combined with reliable daily cleaning performance. I really like how it runs at a low noise level while still delivering consistent suction power for dust, dirt, and pet hair. Its slim design helps it move easily under furniture and into tight spaces where larger vacuums cannot reach. It works well on hard floors and low-pile carpets, making it ideal for everyday cleaning routines. The smart navigation system helps it cover rooms efficiently without unnecessary repetition. App control allows simple scheduling and easy operation. Battery life is reliable for small to medium homes. It also automatically returns to its charging dock when needed. Overall, this vacuum offers quiet, efficient, and dependable cleaning. Roborock Saros Ultra Vacuum. The Roborock Saros Ultra Vacuum is a premium robot cleaner designed for powerful performance and advanced features. I really like how it combines strong suction with intelligent mapping for highly efficient cleaning. It removes dust, dirt, and pet hair effectively from carpets and hard floors.
The advanced obstacle avoidance system helps it navigate smoothly around furniture and objects. It also includes mopping functionality for deeper cleaning results. App Control allows detailed customization, including zones, schedules, and settings. The battery life is strong enough for large homes and long cleaning sessions. Its build quality feels durable and high-end. Overall, this robot vacuum delivers top-tier performance, smart technology, and versatile cleaning features for users who want premium home cleaning results.
Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to see the latest prices and more details about each product. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming reviews. I hope this guide to the top 12 best robot vacuums under $1,000 helped you find the perfect cleaning companion for your home. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know which robot vacuum impressed you the most, and I'll see you in the next one.